had a gig with a band open air nearby the river. Had an accident with my old car, and I was late. Singing for the people while that summer rain was pouring. Making jokes and crazy things on stage. After the show we sat down drinking beer, and I saw her. A little green-eyed girl with her red hair. And we talked about music, and we talked about the country, we talked about all the things, and that northern rain. Came all the way down from the Speyside, nearby the sea, with those silver shades. And she visited a friend right here in Frankfurt, but she only stayed for a few days. She said she's a singer, singing in the pubs of Edinburgh, and her voice was warm as she told me that she'll leave tomorrow. And that she doesn't know if she will return. And I looked into her green eyes and saw that northern rain. Heard that she's married, got a family, and that she stopped singing because of her children. Her husband is a soldier in National Army, and that she will never come back here again. And I started drinking whiskey from the Speyside, from her homeland. And with every glass I wish I could see you again. You are immortal, so you told me because of your name. But I will die here with that longing for that northern